With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today's question is a certain inorganic compound A on heating loses water of crystallization. On further heating, a blackish brown powder B and two oxides of sulphur C and D are obtained. The powder B on boiling with hydrochloric acid gives yellow solution E. When H2S is passed in E, a white turbidity F and an apple green solution G is obtained. The solution E on treatment with thiocyanate ion gives a blood red compound H. So identify A to H. So we have to identify A to H in this reaction. So first we have an inorganic compound with some water, water of hydration present. Let us assume it to be some N water of hydration is present and some X compound is there, which on heating becomes X plus N water. Water will be lost. So this is the first reaction, and this will give on heating loses water of crystallization, and heating of X will give what? Heating of X will give a blackish brown powder, black powder, and then we get two sulfur oxides. So sulfur oxides we know are SO2 and SO3. So we get B and C are SO2 and SO3. So these are B and C. B and C. So we get the sulfur oxide. So from this we can understand that X will be a sulfate compound, sulfur containing compound, and we can understand that it will be the powder B on boiling with hydrochloric acid gives a yellow solution. So this yellow solution will be due to the formation of iron. So the yellow solution will be due to the formation of, so let us assume the black powder as Y. So I will name the black powder as Y. So Y on heating with HCl, boiling with HCl gives a yellow solution, which will be the chloride. So the yellow solution will be mostly because of ferric chloride. So from this we can understand that X is a iron containing sulfur compound. Therefore X is ferrous sulfate. FeSO4 will be the complex X. So X dot H2O, the hydrated form of ferrous sulfate, will be actually N, which is equal to FeSO4 dot 7H2O. That's the hydrated form of ferrous sulfate. So this will be the initial compound, ferrous sulfate, and ferrous sulfate on heating gives first FeSO4 plus 7H2O, and the further heating of FeSO4. So further heating of FeSO4 will give one SO3 is the gas, then SO2, SO3, and the other compound formed will be ferric oxide. So ferric oxide will be formed. So this will be the compound B. This will be the compound B. So actually I had done a mistake previously. Actually the oxides are C and D. So pardon me for the mistake. So the oxides are C and D, and the Fe2O3 will be the complex compound B, and the initial compound is A is FeSO4 dot 7H2O. So this is A actually. So we have got A, B, C, D. So we have A, B, C, D. Then what is mentioned is this yellow solution is FeCl3. So we know that it should be FeCl3, yellow solution. So the reaction is basically Fe2O3 in HCl gives FeCl3 plus H2O. This is the reaction that is going to happen. So when we balance it, there will be 3 HCl, not 3 actually, so we have 3 O, so there should be 6 HCl and 2 FeCl3. So this will be the balanced equation. So this will be complex E. This will be compound E. Compound E will be this. So we have got A, B, C, D, E. Now once we have got E, when H2S is passed in E, white turbidity is formed. So let us see what happens when H2S is passed in E. So E is FeCl3. When H2S is passed through it, what happens is actually sulphur will be formed. Sulphur will be the white turbidity, which is F, and we will have HCl, and the other compound which will be formed is ferrous chloride, FeCl2. So they have mentioned they have an apple green solution. So ferrous chloride will be the apple green solution. So this is F, the white turbidity. This is the apple green solution G, apple green. It will be apple green, ferrous chloride. So once we have F and G, now the reaction is E on treatment with thiocyanate gives a blood red compound. So that we know FeSCN twice. That will be the complex which will be giving blood red color. So the last reaction is E is FeCl3 on reaction with thiocyanate ion SCN minus gives blood red compound which is FeSCN. Right. So this will be the compound that will be formed. So this is actually compound H, the blood red colored compound H. So to conclude, we have found A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what was A? A was actually ferrous sulfate hydrated form, and B was ferric oxide, C was sulfur dioxide, and D was sulfur trioxide. Then E was FeCl3, FeCl3E, ferric chloride, and F was sulfur, the white compound, and G was green apple solution was FeCl2. Then H was ferrous cyanide, the blood red compound. So I will just write the names of the complexes here again. So A, our initial compound, FeSO4 dot 7H2O. B was Fe2O3, the oxide on heating which was formed. C was one of the sulfur oxides, and sulfur dioxide I have mentioned, and D was sulfur trioxide. Now coming to E, E was ferric chloride, F was the sulfur, G was the ferrous chloride, and H was the complex FeSCN twice. So these were our answers. That's it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.